Hello everyone, welcome to Learnivers. In this video, we are diving into the world of automotive technology to explore ADAS, which means Advanced Driver Assistance System. Advanced Driver Assistance System are set of technologies designed to enhance vehicle safety and improve the driving experience. From adaptive cruise control to lane keeping assistance, these features are providing the way for the future of automotive innovation. ADAS is categorized into different levels ranging from level 0 to level 5. Let's break it down. Level 0, which means no automation. The vehicle has no automation features. The driver is fully responsible for controlling the vehicle and there will be no automation assistance. Level 1, Driver Assistance. During level 1, it involves a single automated system such as adaptive cruise control or lane keeping assistance. The driver still needs to be actively engaged and monitor the environment in case of Level 1. Level 2, Partial Automation. At this level, the vehicle can control both steering and acceleration simultaneously under certain conditions. However, the driver must remain engaged and supervise the system. Next one is Level 3, which means Conditional Automation. During Level 3, the vehicle can manage most aspects of driving under specific conditions, allowing the driver to disengage from active control. However, the driver must be ready to take over when prompted by the system. Next one is Level 4, which means High Automation. The vehicle can perform most driving tasks autonomously within defined conditions and the driver's intervention is not always required. But there are specific scenarios or conditions where the driver may need to take over. Next one is Level 5, which means Full Automation. This is the highest level of automation where the vehicle can handle all driving tasks under all conditions without any human intervention. So which means the vehicle is fully autonomous and there is no need for a steering wheel or pedals. Summarizing, ADAS belongs to Level 1 and Level 2 and autonomous driving belongs to Level 3, Level 4 and Level 5. As we move towards the future of autonomous vehicles, ADAS is a crucial stepping stone. These technologies are not only making our roads safer but also changing the way we interact with our vehicles. If you found this video informative, don't forget to hit that like button, share it with your loved ones and subscribe for more tech insights. And let us know in the comments which ADAS feature you find most interesting. Until next time, drive safely and stay curious. Thank you.